So before I show you how this automation can be created, I'll show you how this automation is going to run. So for that, I am going to purchase this dress. So I am going to go towards this byte now, enter the details and purchase this dress. For that, we have to enter the card number and the rest of details and click on this pay now. So now you can see we have successfully purchased this dress. So let's open our Gmail and you can see we have received this mail. Thank you for your purchase. Your order has been successfully placed. Over here is the product name, the amount paid and the rest of the details. So you must be wondering that I did this manually. No, I've created this simple automation where whenever someone is going to purchase any product from my Shopify store, an automated mail something like this will be sent towards them. And in this video I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. For that you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of emails for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. This is a special discount coupon code which is RITYT. This discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you find it helpful for your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Shopify and select Shopify V2 right over here. Make sure to select Shopify V2 only. It is very important. For the event, select it as new order. Click on this connect. You are going to receive this web URL. So just copy this and open your Shopify store. From the left hand of the side, you have to go towards the settings. Once you are on these settings, you have to go on this notifications and then webhooks. Now click on this create webhook button. Select the event as order creation. Select the format as JSON. For the URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the webhook API version, keep it as latest. Click on this save and your webhook URL will be added in your account. This means that you have created the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, we have to purchase a product. So let's say I am going to purchase this butterfly necklace. So I'm going to go towards this byte now and purchase this butterfly necklace as new user. So let's enter the details right over here. So as you can see, I'm going to purchase this as new user. For the card, I'm going to enter the test card detail. So for that, you just have to enter 1 as the card number and click on this pay now. And we're going to do the test submission and purchase this product as new user. Now we have successfully purchased this product. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. You can see all the details are captured over here, be it the name of the customer, be it the phone number, the address, the total amount, what product they purchased, everything. So now let's send them an automated mail, something like this. So for that, we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gmail and select Gmail right over here. For the event, select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now we have created the connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, and now let's move on further. Now it is asking me for the sender's name, so I'm going to enter the name of my company over here. For the sender's email address, we have already selected this because this is the email address using which we created the connection. Now let's move on further, and it is asking me for the recipient email address. So over here for the recipient email address, we have to enter the email address of the customer. But what we have to do is we don't have to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So let's map this. So first, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and and changes with every new response received. Alright, and in order to map these details, put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. Alright, after mapping this email address, it is asking me for many other details, but we only have to fill in the details which are required. Like I want to enter this email subject. So let's copy this email subject from my previous mail and paste it right over here. For the email content, I want to send advanced HTML emails like this to attract my customers. So if you also want to send HTML emails, you have a complete tutorial on how to create HTML email over here. Otherwise, you can also use AI to generate the HTML email and generate your email content. I have already generated my email content, as you can see this. So I'm going to copy and paste the same and map the details of my user and customer. As you can see, the name is mapped over here. I've mapped the item name, which was the product they purchased, and also if you want to map the amount, just put a slash and map the amount to like this. And now for the content type, select it as HTML. For the label, keep it as inbox. Now let's move on further, distinct file name and attachment. So if you want to send invoice or something like that, you can attach it right over here. Same goes for the signature. After doing this, just click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this mail. So let's open our Gmail, go back towards the inbox, and yes, this mail is sent. Thank you for your purchase. Your order has been successfully placed. This is the product and this is the amount. And now, like I showed you in the starting of this video, whenever someone purchases this product from my Shopify store, an automated email from my company will be sent towards them like this. This is an advanced HTML email and this is a personalized mail. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below too. You can check it out. If you want, you can also send discount coupon codes in this mail. You can check out my mail, copy and paste my mail too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.